Earth is the planet that has most possibly has aliens, even though it already has life on it.
Scientists have found 40,000 Earth-like planets in the universe so far, and one is called Earth 2.0. There's another name for that, but I forgot that.
There's also Eden.
Eden?
Yeah.
That's another like Earth-like planet.
Earth 2.0 might have Earth 2.0 might have signs of having a rocky surface.
Okay.
Where is that? Where is Earth 2.0?
Earth 2.0
Oh, that's the exoplanet. It's not here.
not here.
So there's also the moon. The moon is it
It's
has
right there.
yeah. So the moon it's the brightest object in the sky, but it's not as quite as bright as the sun.
There's a fact about the moon. I think about every year, the moon moves like 1 centimeter away from the Earth.
Yeah. So
Soon,
it's,
like in a million years.
it'll disappear. It'll just slingshot into space.
How much is a million centimeters?
Okay, come to the next line.
Okay, so the
Comes
moon.
after the... Are you doing the moon?
Yeah, so the moon, it has a rock called basalt. It comes from usually lava. So about 4.5 billion years ago, when the moon was created, it had like lava plains and lakes. So when those lava lakes cool down, it makes a rock called basalt.
And also, the moon helps in the Earth's angle. The Earth's actually slightly tilted, and so the moon helps of keeping that angle. If the moon was not there, the Earth could tilt like about 45 degrees. Could tilt like 45 degrees. And
It also
That would be bad, right?
there's also the moon also makes tides on Earth. It's gravity.
Oh, yeah.
Gravity sometimes creates earthquakes and tides. So there's a low tide and a high tide. Next is Mars. Mars. They're trying to make a trip to Mars to see if we can live there. So I have like a little background knowledge if we were to live there. If we wanted to live there, we need to live in a space called a habitat. The habitat maintains the air pressure because normal air pressure on Mars is lower than the pressure on Earth. So it will make your blood boil and
also, on Mars, you have to get special plants and use special farming methods to get oxygen and food. And Mars is the same size as Earth's core.
So the habitats, they also have to maintain the oxygen levels because it doesn't have that much of a atmosphere. It will also need to maintain the temperature because it's way too cold.
And also, there's a Mars rover on Mars called Curiosity, and every time of its anniversary, Curiosity plays the happy birthday song.
Why is Mars red?
Because of the iron. Iron oxide. So it's basically rust. It mixes in with oxygen.
Iron oxide is one component which causes rust.
Rust.
So that's why the red planet appears red. And also, I know the real name for Earth 2.0. It's called Kepler 452b. Kepler 452b.
Between Mars and Jupiter, there's called the asteroid belt.
So the asteroid belt, So this one right here, this tiny little one,
That's a moon.